I'm Kristen. Welcome to my channel. These are my two cats, Mocha and Mochi, and you are going to hang out with me tonight if you decide to continue watching this video. We are going to do a self-care nighttime routine. I have a family, a son and a husband, and two cute cats. Show you my routine, what I cook. Oh, my cats can't stand me right now. How I take care of my body, my skin, my health, what I eat. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. I love you guys. Let's get started. To end my evening, I start with a run. If I don't have music blasting in my headphones, feeling like I'm in a music video running to the beat, I can't run. I literally cannot. But when I get home, I'm so hungry, and I have been on my healthy girl journey, so I'm changing some of the things that I'm doing. I'm eating brown rice tonight, which I've never made in my life, so wish me luck. I searched the internet. It says 15 minutes for brown rice in a rice cooker, so hopefully it turns out okay. Caesar's making some really yummy shrimp, and while my brown rice is cooking, I'm gonna go and chill with my little Mocha. I see Caesar hanging out with her, and I want a little Mocha time too. But she does have social anxiety, you guys. Sometimes she doesn't want the attention. And right now, she doesn't want my attention. This is my time to catch up on my favorite show right now. This show has me in a chokehold so hard, you guys. Love Island UK. I'm obsessed. I think Lana and Ron are going to win. But Shaq and Tanya definitely could win too. I don't know if you guys have watched it. Let me know what you think. If you haven't watched it, go on Hulu right now and watch it. It's so good. And while that's playing, I usually just catch up on my TikTok because during the day I'm filming TikToks, not really watching them. Also spending time with my fur babies and just doing regular things around the house. My washer just went off, so I'm just switching it to the dryer and doing that. I've never showed this on my channel before, but the rice cooker just went off, and look at the rice. There's still water in there. This is not done. I've never cooked brown rice before, so I put it in there for a little bit longer, and I'm just cleaning up before dinner. Okay, the brown rice finally looks done. I'm gonna start cutting up some cucumbers and red onions for my salad. I also have an avocado there. I am an avocado lover. I love avocado so much. That was my son that just walked by. He actually does not like what we're eating tonight, and we have an agreement. If he doesn't like what we're eating, because we're not making anything else, he has to make it for himself. This avocado was perfect, by the way. I just added some lemon all over the cucumber and avocado and the red onion, and then a light bit of salt, and that's Jaden making his pizza. Being bougie and picky. I'm just kidding, but for real. I'm trying to plate this so nicely, and it's just not plating beautifully, but I think this one looks better. I'm adding some lettuce for my salad, and the salad was actually so good. I'm used to putting all kinds of dressing on it, and it was actually so good this way. Let's do a little Jaden check-in. You like your food? You didn't want any shrimp tonight? I swear I was getting myself and Caesar in the shot. I didn't realize it was just Jaden. That's why it looks like this. But this is where we're just like talking, catching up. Sometimes we talk, sometimes we don't. It's a chill vibe. This is our little family time. Oh, and you see that Porsche over there? Caesar and Jaden actually made that together. Honestly, Caesar took over. He was building this day and night towards the end, but it was for Jaden. My husband loves his cats. He's laying down with Mocha right now, and they love him back. Like, truly, they will go to him before anyone else. They'll run away from everyone except for Caesar. Let's get on ready for the day. I'm taking you to my restroom. This is my me time, my self-care time, and I'm gonna draw a bath tonight. I feel like that is the best way to unwind, a warm bath. And adding a bath soak, this vanilla lime smells so good. It's very unexpected, but it smells amazing. If you don't like water running down your wrist, these terry cloth ties are a must. Taking off my lashes and taking off all my makeup. I've been using the Porefessional Get Unblocked Pore Clearing Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. The makeup just glides off your face. It has jojoba seed and avocado oil, also ceramides. I love this stuff. I'm doing one side so you can see the difference. It truly removes everything. I'm a double cleanser. I'm using the Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Cleanser, and it lathers into a bubbly foam, but it comes off like a gel, and it truly just removes all the oil, dirt, and impurities from your skin. And it has yuzu and lemon extract. It is so good. And then I'm using a toner called Titan Toned Pore Refining AHA and PHA Toning Foam. And all of these products from Benefit Porefessional, they are going to shrink your pores and make your skin look a lot smoother. I have large pores, so I'm so happy. I've been using this for the past month and I really like it. I'm adding this pumpkin spice donut bath bomb to my bath. It smells amazing. And then also adding this Naturium body serum wash just to make it a little more bubbly. It's not a hair washing day, so I'm putting up my hair and putting on my favorite podcast, Call Her Daddy. It is the best, in my opinion.
What is up, Daddy Gang? It is your founding father, Alex Cooper, with Call Her Daddy.
Cole Sprouse.
Yes.
Welcome to Call Her Daddy.
Thank you for having me.
Now that we're clean, it's time to hydrate our body. I'm using the Naturium Retinol Body Lotion, and it is so great. I'm almost out of it, and I just put that all over. To hydrate my skin, I'm using the Smooth Sip Lightweight Smoothing Moisturizer. It has celery, flaxseed extracts, and squalane. Super hydrating. I love a good aluminum-free deodorant spray, and this one is lilac. So good. I don't like to wear my hair up when I'm in bed, and I like to put it down in a braid. It helps with the frizziness when you get up in the morning. This caramelized vanilla macadamia body and hair spray from Sol de Janeiro is the best. I spray it in the morning and at night in my hair. It's addicting. The way that slathering this on my lips is self-care for me. It just is. I got this daily read from Jen Sincero on how to be your best self, and I just opened it tonight. So we are gonna start our first reading tonight with this and hydrate until we get sleepy. Usually reading a book makes me sleepy in the most comforting way, and I'll just do that until I'm ready to go to bed. Thank you guys for spending the night with me. I'll see you soon.